Well, here we go. We're getting some of the beginning stages of the scenery going. Getting some hills, getting some lumps, so everything's not totally flat, because nothing's totally flat. We got some cardboard, we got some hot glue. We're going to go through with the razor blade and shave it down some. Tonight we're going to glue this one down real fast. We're going to get some putty, play with some putty, smooth some stuff up, because everything's not chunky and squared like cardboard. So let's go ahead and get this one glued down, and we will get some putty and go from there. Okay, now that we got this all glued down into place, we're gonna go ahead and get some of our wall putty and smooth out some of the edges. So we got our glove. Don't want to make a huge mess. One thing I did already forget was another piece of cardboard. Let me see here. Oh, I got a big piece right behind me. Let me just go ahead and give this a quick cut down the side, and I'll show you why in just a second. Just gonna use this to hold it up while I'm laying the putty down so it doesn't splash down off the side. So we got that. We're gonna go ahead and get this puttied up and go from there. There we go, finished playing with some of the putty. Didn't make a huge mess, which is nice. It is definitely still tacky and wet, so we're going to let that dry overnight. Put some paint on it, sand it down. But yeah, so that's what you get for tonight. Some hot glue action, some putty action, and enjoy the new little scenery in the mountains there.